How you doing, everybody? Jim Schroeder here, your Hoosier Auto Guy here at Kia Bradley in Bradley, Illinois. And today I'm giving you a quick look at the Kia Seltos that we just got in. This is the S all-wheel drive. Color is called Gravity Gray. Let's take a look here at the back. Great vehicle, great on gas. I believe it's 29 miles to the gallon overall. So a little bit better fuel mileage on the highway, a little bit less in the city, but 29 overall for an SUV that's all-wheel drive. That is phenomenal. Also, little things back like this I love. The back seats, when you fold them down, everything's nice and flat back here. But if you need more space, right under here's your spare tire. So if you need a little more space, you can actually lower the shelf down, slide it back like that, slide it down, gives you a couple extra inches there. Nothing huge or anything, but it's one of those little things like, hey, like you pick up say a dresser from a garage sale or something like that, you need a little more height, or a TV from a department store, you can have that height in there as well for you. Absolutely fantastic. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto are all standard. So you have your Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze. You have navigation in this car. The S gives you a couple extra safety features like your blind spot collision avoidance assist. So if you turn your signal on, you're somebody in your blind spot, it's going to help avoid you from making that lane change and crashing into somebody. And it's also got the rear when you're backing up. If somebody's coming down the aisle and stuff too, it's going to let you know there's a car coming down the aisle and help hit the brakes so you don't back out in front of somebody. Absolutely fantastic. Nice big touchscreens there, backup camera, Bluetooth, power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise, all that kind of good stuff. Fantastic vehicle. Give me a call. It will not be here long. The Seltos is one of the top three hardest vehicles for us to get. We just got this S trim level with the all-wheel drive. I do have an LX that just came in as well. That's black cherry. And then I also, way down there, have a Seltos S. That's an SX Gravity Gray with the sunroof package in there and stuff too. That's the top trim level down there. But give me a call, and we'll talk to you soon.